If you're seeing the Slack error invalid _auth, don't worry. This usually means your token is wrong, outdated, copied incorrectly, or your app needs to be reinstalled. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get your Slack requests working again without guessing. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to api.slack.com/apps. This is the Slack app dashboard where you manage your app settings and credentials. Once you're there, select the app that you're trying to use in your project. After that, look for the OAuth and permissions section in the left menu. This is where Slack stores the access tokens your app uses to authenticate API requests. Now, find the Bot User OAuth Token. This token usually starts with XOXB-, and that is the one you should be using for bot-based API requests. Copy it carefully. Make sure you do not add any extra spaces before or after the token, and make sure no characters are missing. Even a tiny copy and paste mistake can trigger invalid _auth. Next, go to the place where you're making the request, such as your code, your API client, or Postman. Then set your authorization header exactly like this. Authorization bearer XOXB- your token. The key thing here is that you are using the bot token in the correct format. Also, do not use a webhook URL as if it were a token, because that will not work and can cause authentication errors. If your token still doesn't work, there's a good chance it has become invalid or your app permissions changed. In that case, go back to the Slack app settings and click Reinstall to Workspace. This refreshes the app's access and often generates a new usable token. After reinstalling, copy the new token again from OAuth and permissions. Then replace the old token everywhere you were using it in your code, your environment variables, or your testing tool. Once that's updated, send the request again and check the response. In most cases, that solves the invalid _auth error right away. If you still get the error, double check that the token you copied is the Bot User OAuth token and not a different credential. Also confirm that the app has the right permissions for the action you're trying to perform. Those details matter a lot when working with Slack API authentication, and that's it. You've now learned how to fix Slack invalid _auth by checking the token, updating the authorization header, and reinstalling the app if needed. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more troubleshooting guides like this one.